What's up, people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Yes, the moment we all have been waiting for has now finally arrived. Gabriel Henrique, our master at whistling, has dropped a brand new track. Well, well, well. So, guys, look, we're gonna react to Gabriel Henrique, The Climb. I love this song. I love this song so much. But I want to hear Gabriel Henrique's side on this song. Oh yes, look. This is the flag here representing Gabriel and all the Brazilian in the world. This. Yeah, that's the Brazilian flag. So respect to every one of those Brazilians and those sweet people that are from Brazil. Let's dive in.
I can almost see it.
Yes, my bro. Yes, my bro. You're back.
That dream I'm dreaming, there's a voice inside my head saying you never reach it.
Who's the one who sung this song? Is it Miley Cyrus? This song was one of my favorite songs in high school, bro. In high school, this was one of my favorite songs. Yo, well, Gabriel is gonna give us now.
Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost in no direction.
This is awesome, right? I'm happy to hear Gabriel Henrique sing because he's always the one that makes everyone day actively going. Yes, yes.
Faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my hand held.
Wow, 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 wow. Yo, I can feel sensation rushing down my body, bro. I can feel the sensation rushing down my body. Oh my.
Always gonna be another mountain. I know it's gonna wanna make it move.
Yeah, this song gives me a nostalgic feeling of my high school days, bro. It feels so good to remember the good old days, bro. Gabriel is that guy, right? He always give us a music that if we do go with that song and that song is like a couple years old and Gabriel sing that song over again, it gives you the nostalgic feeling that the music is literally nicer than we think, bro. Trust me on that, Maggie.
Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, and about what's waiting the other side. It's the climb.
Boo, boo, yeah, yeah. Oh, yo, look, I'm excited. I am excited, bro. To listen to this, I feel good.
The trouble I'm facing, the chances I'm taking.
Yo, I don't know about anyone else, but Gabriel is my type of singer. Gabriel is a type of guy who make your life better, bro. Like, he's freaking incredible. No cap.
Sometimes might not be down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but
Yo, every day I listen to Gabriel's music I love his music so much. I love how Gabriel come together, articulate himself, articulate his music, and give us quality sound, bro. This is one of my favorite Brazilian singers of all times. I've encountered a lot of Brazilian singers, right? But Gabriel stands out on top, my G. Trust me.
There are moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah. Just gotta keep going. And I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on.
Yo, this song is my motivational song, bro. The Climb. But I want to hear Gabriel inspires me even more than I can already be inspired, bro. Okay. Let's go crazy.
'Cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I know he's gonna wanna make me move. Always gonna be a bit better. So
Yeah, bro. I respect Gabriel so much. Ah, my G.
sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. And about how fast I get there. And about what to wait on the other side. It's the
Yo, I want to hear the whistle, bro. But if I don't get the whistle, I appreciate this so much. Bra, bra. Bro, he's doing an excellent job. He's doing an excellent job. He's a boss, bro. He's the boss of our bosses. He's the CEO. By the way, I didn't compliment Gabriel. Oh man, I think he have an haircut, bro. It's so long that I haven't seen Gabriel. Wow. Bro, look fresh as ever, my G. Yo, I'm ready as ever for this man singing, bro. I'm always ready. Yeah, I love this, bro. I love this so much. Always get the person in a happy feet momentum, bro. Trust me. Trust me. Yo, it doesn't take an actual person, a regular person, to hold a note so long in one pitch. Never. It takes a lot of practice, time, and effort. Trust me, Miss Cyrus would be very proud of him. She'd be happy to listen to him. I hope she do hears this, and if she do hears this, Miss Cyrus, please support Gabriel at all cost. He's a very great artist. This was a great one, Gabriel. Trust me, this was a great song choice. I enjoyed it so much. Well done, my bro. Well done, Gabriel. You've done greatly. I enjoyed this one. This one makes me happy as well, bro. Out of all of Gabriel's Henrique's songs, this is one of his best performances. and I do enjoy. Gabriel, look, I'm looking forward for more song from you. And if you guys do enjoy this reaction, subscribe. Stay tuned for more Gabriel Henrique reaction. I'll be happy to give another alongside with this one. I'll see you next time around. Peace.